Hi guys, today we are making Malva pudding. To your bowl, add in the eggs with vanilla essence mixed in. Add in brown sugar and mix this well. Add in the apricot jam and mix until there are no lumps. Add in the melted margarine. Now add in the milk. Followed by the vinegar. Sift in our dry ingredients, that is the cake flour, as well as the salt, bicarbonate of soda and baking powder. Now mix all of this together, but be sure not to overmix. Pour the mixture into a greased dish. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for between 25 and 30 minutes. For the syrup, to the pot add in your margarine as well as milk, water, vanilla essence and sugar, and let all of this boil together. Once baked, using a skewer, poke some holes into it. Now spoon the hot syrup over the cake. Let the pudding soak up all of the liquid. Serve while the Malva pudding is still hot with some cold custard or ice cream.